Have you ever heard the name Ray Kroc? No? No problem. I'm sure you must have seen these golden arches around you. Remind something. Yes, we are gonna discuss about McDonald. Hello friends, welcome to Finsbridge Street. Here we provide information related to finance, investment, and share the thoughts of big and successful persons. At the end of the video, please take a second to think that whether you like the video or not, and if you like, then please press the like button and also share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Ray Kroc at the age of 52 used to sell milk shakers mixtures as a salesman from door to door at every restaurant, shops and other individual. One day he got a call for the order of his 8 multi-mixture, and impressed by the order, he personally go and visited the restaurant, which was situated at San Bernardino, California in 1954. After reaching the location, he was really impressed by the name written on the board of the restaurant, McDonald Hamburger. The restaurant was clean, modern, mechanized, and the professional and well-groomed staff. There were many other hamburger restaurants at the roadside where motorcycle gang and rebellious teenagers go for hangout. He once said, "In my experience, hamburger joints are nothing but the jukeboxes, payphones, smoking rooms, and guys in leather jackets. I wouldn't take my wife to such a place, and you wouldn't take your wife either." But McDonald restaurant was different. According to him, it was a place like church or court where people go for peace, and the golden arches also show the sign of happiness and peace. McDonald was owned by two brothers, Richard and Maurice McDonald. The kitchen system of McDonald, which was a speedy service system which delivered burger within 30 seconds to customer, was really very impressive to Mr. Kroc. The next day, Mr. Kroc decided to take franchisee of McDonald, but the brother rejected the offer, said they already opened 5 franchisees and failed because in other restaurants they can't able to take care of quality, and this affect the name of McDonald. But somehow Mr. Kroc convinced the brother and opened the first McDonald franchise under his partnership with the McDonald brothers. Kroc policies for McDonald include establishing locations only in suburban area, not in downtown, since poor people might eat in them after the main business hours were over. Restaurants were to be kept properly sanitized at all time, and the staff must be clean, properly groomed and polite to children. The food was to be of a strictly fixed, standardized content, and restaurants were not allowed to deviate from specification in any way. No cigarette machine or pinball game were allowed in any McDonald's. After establishment of so many number of franchisees under his supervision, Mr. Kroc can't able to earn much profit to clear his debts as he had taken to open franchisees. Mr. Kroc can't able to earn profit because of some terms and condition in agreement, which says Mr. Kroc shall receive 1.9% of net profit generated by franchisees, with 1/2 of the percent of said net profit paid to Richard McDonald and Maurice McDonald. Mr. Kroc want to change the deal of agreement to increase his share, as he is the only reason of McDonald has number of franchisees in whole America. But Donald brother refuses. When bank were irritating him because of loan and he was stressed about profit, he met Harry J. Sanborn. Harry was a financial and a legal advisor. Harry said to Kroc, "You don't even know and not even realize what business you are in. You are not in burger business. You are in real estate business. You can't build an empire off a 1.4% cut of a 15% hamburger. You build it by owning a land upon which that burger is cooked. What you ought to be doing is buying a plot of land, then turning around and leasing said plot to franchisees who, as a condition of their deal, should be permitted to lease from you and you alone. This way provide you two things. One, a steady upfront revenue system, money flow in before the first stake is in the ground, to greater capital for expansion, which in turn fuel further land acquisition, which in turn fuel further expansion, and so on and so on. Land, that's where the money is. And more than that, control over franchisees. Fail to uphold the quality of McDonald's burger, you can cancel the lease. Mr. Kroc applied this on his franchisees and succeed, and after that somehow he took the name of McDonald also from the brothers. Kroc maintained the speedy service system for hamburger preparation that was introduced by the McDonald brother. Mr. Kroc ensured every burger would taste the same in every restaurant. Kroc also rejected the cost-cutting measure like using soybean fillers in the hamburger patties. After losing from Kroc, Donald brother asked, "We were an open book, so why don't you just steal it?" In reply, Mr. Kroc said, "Just grab your idea and run off and start my own business using all those ideas of yours would have failed. Was I the only one who got the kitchen tour? You must invited lot of peoples back there, and maybe many of them succeed, but none as big as McDonald. No one ever has, no one ever will, because they all lack that one thing that make McDonald special, which is its name, that glorious name, McDonald. It sounds like peace, church, court, happiness." The net worth of McDonald Corporation in 1984 was $600 million. June Martineau, the accountant of Mr. Kroc, became the part owner of McDonald Corporation. She was the first woman allowed to trade on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Turner, one of his franchisees owner, expanded the McDonald operation to more than 100 countries. Harry was the first president and CEO of McDonald Corporation. Today, McDonald is one of the largest real estate holder in the world. Every day it feeds 1% of the world population. At the end, Mr. Kroc said, "No one will have 8 multi-mixtures in one business, so I personally go there and I was amazed." That's all from my side. If you really enjoy the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.